Runs like it's supposed to now. And this one is an actual screw you can adjust instead of the tamper-proof bullshit. All I did was pull a little more slack on the lines and set the return line. It just squirts down into the tank. It doesn't have to be at the bottom. That way there's no kink in the line. You're good to go. Now it works like it's supposed to. And like I said, the carb was like $18, like 26 something total. And you got a couple of spare primer bulbs, you know, because they turn yellow and get hard eventually, especially the cheap China shit. So you're good to go.